Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make clickable link in by using Canva. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the Chrome from here, and once you are here you have to search for the canva.com like this, and you will see this page. And once you are here you have to you have to click on the create option from the left hand side. Then here in the custom size you can just choose one of the pages that you want. Then once you are here you have to click on text, then you have to click on add a heading, and then what you can do is just type the name that you would like to click here. So for example, I would like to type it as the click here, and after that what you can do is go to the right click on it, then you have to click on the link, and then here you have to paste the link that you would like to click here. But if you would like to make it like the button, so what you can do is just go to the background option from here, and for this you have to click on this and then select effects from the here. Then here you will get the option of background, then here you can just select the roundness, like make it just like the button. And then what you can do is just simply, as I said before, simply click on the three dot, then you have to simply click on the link. So for example, I would like to give a Google link. So for example, I would like to use this one, and if I type in the google.com, and after that it will take you to this page, and they simply copy that link and then simply paste it here, and after that click on done, and then it's a clickable link now. And what you can do is just simply click on share, and then you have to click on download, and make sure this is saved to the PDF print or the PDF standard. So let's go for the PDF standard, then you have to click on download. After that, here you can see it's already getting to start download here, and already the video is downloaded. And if you click on the PDF file, and here you can see the click here button is here, and now if you click on it, then it will take you simply to the Google. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.